Hey guys, in the blink of an eye is a very famous idiom, which means to do something very quickly. But how do you replace this idiom in just one single word? Welcome to our channel, A Word a Day. Let's try to replace this idiom with a cooler and a smarter term. You can use the word jiffy, which is the word of the day. It is an informal term, but still you can use it with your friends to sound more cooler. The meaning of the word is in a very short time or in a moment. The examples are I'm on a call, I'll be back in a jiffy. The technical problem was fixed in a jiffy. Thank you so much for watching our video. And remember, jiffy is a word and in a jiffy is used as an idiom again. Now it's time to like and subscribe in a jiffy, share and comment to help us grow. Follow us every day.